Hi, I'm Josh Devine. Today I stand before you truly humbled. I'm humbled because recently, Governor Mike Parson appointed me to serve as one of your circuit judges in Boone and Callaway counties. Governor Parson appointed me to serve as your judge not only because I have the training and experience necessary to do the job well, but also because I have a proven track record of service as a judge in mid-Missouri, a community in which I was born and raised. In 2018, I served as one of your Boone County Associate Circuit Judges. As your judge, I handled hundreds of civil and criminal cases. This community not only wants a judge who will uphold the rule of law, but who will do so while treating each of its citizens with dignity and respect, and with fairness and impartiality, regardless of their personal background or life experiences. Those are the values that I strive to live by as your judge in 2018, and those are the values that I promise to continue to live by every day that I have the honor of serving as your judge once again. As I continue my service to our community as a judge, I'm reminded of my father. My dad served as a law professor at Mizzou Law for most of his life. He taught me the importance of our courts in ensuring values that we all cherish as Americans: the rule of law, fundamental fairness, and the administration of justice. I carry these lessons with me every day. The importance of knowing the law, knowing how to apply the law, and applying the law equally and in an impartial way to each and every citizen standing before me. This is how I served in 2018, and this is how I will serve again. Experience matters. Our citizens matter. I'm asking for your vote in November to keep me, Josh Devine, as your circuit judge.
I'm Andy Hirth, and I'm running for circuit judge in Boone and Callaway counties. Judicial races are different from other elections because judges don't set public policy. I don't have a political platform to share with you today, and I can't tell you how I'm likely to rule on a particular legal issue. But that doesn't mean judicial races are any less important than the races for our legislature, governor, or president. In fact, the person we elect as our next circuit judge may have a far greater impact on individual lives in Boone and Callaway counties than the people we send to Jefferson City or Washington, D.C. From custody determinations and property line disputes to criminal sentencing and reining in government overreach, the decisions judges make have immediate and lasting impacts on our community. So why trust me with that responsibility? First, I'm a constitutional lawyer. When I worked for Attorney General Chris Koster, I successfully defended Missouri laws from constitutional challenge. I sued the state of California for trying to regulate farming practices in Missouri, and I represented dozens of government officials, including the governor and the Secretary of State. In private practice, I've successfully challenged the validity of state laws and held government officials accountable for exceeding their authority. It's even been my privilege to teach constitutional law at Mizzou. Second, I have extensive trial experience in front of judges and juries in state and federal court. I spent my first 2 years out of law school clerking for a federal judge. As a practicing attorney, I've represented both plaintiffs and defendants, state officials, private citizens, corporations and nonprofits, adults and minors, even police chiefs and death row inmates. I've also argued more than a dozen cases in the Missouri Supreme Court and other appellate courts. Finally, I respect the unique role of the judiciary in our country. Courts stand between the people and their government. Judges do not choose sides. They apply rules of evidence and burdens of proof. They ensure due process and equal protection. In short, judges uphold the rule of law. It would be the greatest honor of my life to defend the Constitution as your next circuit judge. For more information about me, go to www.hirthforjudge.com and vote Andy Hirth for circuit judge on November 3rd. Thank you.